Hey guys, welcome to Protocol Point. Okay, so in this Android tutorial, we will give a search option to our recycler view. Okay, so as you can see, I have already created a recycler view. So in this recycler view app, I will just add a menu item over here, and when the user clicks on this menu item, he can be able to search the desired data. So let's begin. So before starting, I will just give you a brief information about this app, how I have created. Okay, so here I have separated my adapter, my data model, and my main activity. And then here I have a custom layout for our recycler item to show image and the text. So it is over here. Okay, so as you can see, it has an image and a name. This is my custom layout for recycler view particular item. And then in main activity, here I have created a array list of data that holds our list of data that we need to show over in our app. And then here I have manually added all the data that I need in my recycler view. So as you can see, here I have image and the text, and then here I have a data model that holds our image and the text that we have created over here. And then after the data has been created, we are passing this data set array to our recycler view adapter. So here is the adapter. It has a data set, it has a constructor that construct our data, and when the view is being created, so it will add the list of data in our recycler view in a form of list. Okay, so here it is. And then to set our recycler data, here I have created one more function uh, over here. By making use of recycler adapter, we are passing the data to our recycler adapter, and after data is been created, we are setting the date the view to our recycler view. Okay, so this is my main activity where our recycler data will be displayed. Okay, so as you can see, this is my recycler view, this is my data, and this is the basic things. Okay, so let's begin. So first of all, we need to add a menu, a search menu option over here. So for that, you need to create a menu over here. So just create a directory and name it as menu. It should be exactly the name MENU. Okay, so in this menu folder, create a new menu resource. You can name it as anything. Search. I will name it as search filter. Okay, so in this search filter, I will just create a menu item. Okay, so we also need an icon to be displayed in this menu. So for that, in our recycler, in our resources drawable folder, create a vector image that is search. You can search over here. Just enter search and then select the icon that you need and just create it, name it, select the color you want. I need white. Okay, so next, finish. So the icon has been created, vector image icon has been created, so just use it, drawable search icon, and then app action view. So action view, we need search view, and then show as action if, we will set it to if room and collapse. Okay, so this is required because user will be able to enter his query, means it will work as a text edit text, and this is required because whenever the user clicks on this menu, it will expand and it will collapse. Okay, so our menu has been created, so now we need to add this menu in our main activity. So in main activity, after creating this on create, you can add it somewhere over here, just generate override, and here you need to find for on create option menu. Okay, then here you need to add the menu that we have created. Menu inflater is equal to get menu inflater dot inflate the menu that we have created. To get it, just press R dot menu, our folder name, and then the menu that you have created, that is search filter, and then just add to our menu. Okay, so this will display the menu over here. Okay, menu item search filter. Okay, so you need to find this menu by making use of find view by find item, just as we use for find view by ID, and we will just find our menu item, that is, this is our ID for our menu item. So as you can see, this is our ID that we are using over here, and as you know, that user will enter his text in our menu item. So for that we are making use of search view so that user can enter the data. Okay, then search view dot sweat query text listener, new search query text listener. Okay, so this has two override methods, that is on query text submit and on query text change. Okay, so this will run each time when the user enters some data in our edit search view, and this on query change will work each time the user enters some data in the text field. Okay, so now we will just restart our app, so to apply the changes we have done just now. Okay, so app is getting installed. Okay, so as you can see, we have a search menu option where user can enter data that he want to search in this recycler view. So we need to code for this. So for that we need to go to our recycler adapter. Okay, so here this is a basic recycler adapter without any filterable data. So to make this recycler filterable, you need to implement filterable. Okay, so this is showing you some error. This is not the error. This filterable needs one method or a overriding method, that is get filter. Okay, so you just need to add this. Okay, so and then here you need two datas, means the two data array set. So just copy this array set and just paste it over here, and you can rename this as full list. Okay, so why this is needed? Because this will be the in this array list we will store our full data, and this data list will get updated each time the user enters some query over here. As you can see, if he enter GA something, this data set will get updated, and this will be the complete list of data that will be the original. Okay, so we need to initialize and store our data set into this new array list. So for that, in our constructor here, recycle adapter constructor here, just full array list is equal to new array list, and this in this array list we will store our list, the original list that we received from our main activity. That is, as you can see, this whole thing will get stored into this new array list, full list. Okay, then here we need to create one more function, that is private filter search filter is equal to new filter. Okay, so here it has two override method, that is perform filter performing and the final publish result. Just give a semicolon over here. Okay, so here now we need to code over here to filter our data. So I will just code here. Okay, so here just get filter that will return our search result. Okay, so in this function what is happening is, here we are creating new array list, that is filter list, and if the user entered is null and if it is length is 0, then the actual full list will be added, and then this full list will be displayed to the user. And if the user enters some character over here, and then that time this else statement will work. Here in filter pattern we will have the string that is entered by user, and then depending on this string we are adding our filter list item, that is, you can see over here, get text name. So if the user enter here computer, compute, and then this matches with the string that is available in our get text name, and it will be added in our list item, and then this final list will be added to our filter result, and this filter result will be passed to the publish result. And in this publish result what is happening is, first of all we are cleaning all the data that is in our data set, and in our data set we are adding the filter result that we have got over here. Okay, and then after we get the data, new filtered data, we are making use of notify data change to our recycler view. Okay, so what this notify change will do is, it will update our list. Okay, so now we have done with our adding the filtering feature to our recycler adapter. So you just need to do is uh, in from our main activity, the menu search menu set query change listener that we have created. Here you just need to call adapter dot get filter dot filter. Here you need to pass the string that the user has entered, that is this. Okay, so now I will just restart our app to check it. Okay, so app is getting restarted. Okay, so app got restarted. This is our full data, list of data. So if user search something over here, comp compute. Okay, so it is not working. Let me check. Okay, so I have just restarted my app and it is working now. So as you can see, if I enter over here computer comp, it will show me the computer's data that starts from comp and row running like this. You can filter your data by making use of this filter. So and if you remove all that characters from this, the whole list will be shown to you. So if I just enter 1, so this string has a character that is 1, so it is showing me this updated list over here. Okay, so if you want this code, it is in our website protocoderspoint.com. The link will be in the description. Okay, so that's all for this video tutorial. Hope you got the concept of how to add a filter to your recycler view. Please do subscribe Proto Coders Point.